AI is creating millionaire overnight. Will you be next? Stick around to find out. AI isn't just for tech nerds, it's helping regular people make thousands per day. People are selling AI-generated art, writing, and even fully automated YouTube channels. The best part? No experience needed. AI isn't just changing the game, it's rewriting the rules. If you're not using AI, you're falling behind. Instead of competing with AI, leverage it. Use AI to automate boring tasks and start your own business. AI is curing diseases, writing books, and even creating movies. This is just the beginning. AI isn't the future anymore. It's now. Are you ready? If you believe AI will change the world, smash that like button. And if you want to learn how to use AI to make money, drop A in the comments. Want to learn how to use AI to get rich? Comment AI below.